Welcome to this technical guide on the vertical iron 18138. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the cable on your vertical iron is chewed up by your dog, you're not alone. This often occurs when curious pets find electrical cords irresistible. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage or even pose a safety risk, so addressing this issue promptly is essential. For this repair, you'll need a replacement cable, a screwdriver set, wire strippers, electrical tape, and a pair of scissors. To begin, ensure the vertical iron is unplugged and cool to the touch. Carefully use a screwdriver to open the casing. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you'll need them later. Once opened, locate the damaged cable. It should be visibly worn, and you may see exposed wires. Carefully disconnect the faulty cable from the internal connections. It's important to note the type of screws used. Typically, they are Phillips screws, so ensure you have the right screwdriver. Apply gentle force when removing components to avoid damaging any nearby parts. After extracting the old cable, take your replacement cable and strip the ends, exposing the copper wires inside. Connect these to the corresponding terminals in the iron, ensuring a secure fit. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once connected, carefully reassemble the casing, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Before you plug it in, double-check that everything is secure and that there are no stray wires. After reassembly, plug in the iron and test it to ensure the repair was successful. If it heats up as it should, you've done a great job. To prevent this problem from recurring, consider investing in cord protectors or training your pet to avoid electrical cables. Keeping cords out of reach or using protective covers can save you from future headaches. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.